Hello everyone, greeting of the day. I am Mr. Bharat Dhanode, lecturer in CSMSS College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad, Maharashtra, going to give feedback of 4-week MSBT and DT sponsored online FDP on Tools for Online Teaching Learning Process, organized by Government Polytechnic Jalgaon, Department of Pharmacy. Really, it was very nice experience to learn through online FDP. All the resource persons guided us in very well manner. All their videos are self-explanatory. We occupied with the all advanced tools for further teaching learning process through this FDP. During these 4 weeks, we learned the contents as follows. In first week, we learned effective teaching practice. In second week, creation of online resource. In third week, tools for online teaching learning process. And in fourth week, digital and advanced pedagogy. As per learning of first week, we learned that the challenges of 21st century in education, outcome-based learning and Bloom's taxonomy, differentiate students with different learning styles, use of various tools of PowerPoint for creation of presentation. Through this learning of or output of this week, we learned various things. We learned to create the PowerPoint presentation very effectively rather than we created before this. This will help students to understand the topics through the effective presentation, and they will enjoy the learning process. In second week, really it was very fantastic and very effective rather than first week. We learned through this second week components of online teaching, creation of video using PowerPoint, creation of video using Screencast-O-Matic software, creation of WordPress website. Really this week also very interesting. We learned many new things through this FDP. We created a presentation using PowerPoint, video using PowerPoint, and recorded it on screen by using Screencast-O-Matic. And as well as I have created the website on WordPress website also. This will help students. The video created by PowerPoint and recorded by screen recording using Screencast-O-Matic software. This video increase the students' enjoyment or their interest in learning teaching process. They could understood the difficult topics, difficult tasks very easily through these videos. And as we created the website on WordPress, if we keep all the materials, teaching material on this website, they can access by their home also all the teaching material. If we are present or not present with them, they can use our teaching materials very easily by this website or these videos. You can see the task 2 sample slides are I placed here. In next slide, the link which the video I created through by learning this FDP on and uploaded on YouTube channel. The same link is given above this slide, and these are 3 slides, sample slides of the same video I placed here. In third week, we learned the learning management system, creation of Gnomio Moodle with course details, Google Classrooms. Really, it was also very interesting thing for us to create the Gnomio Moodle website. I created Gnomio website. I created a course on that website. I enrolled the students, created a course and placed the course material like PPT files, PDF files, videos regarding that courses to create the batch and to get the certificates, and learn to create the Google Classroom, Google Documents also, Google Forms also. I think all these things, the Gnomio Moodle also very interesting for the students. If they completed any task or assignment, they will be awarded by the batch. And I think really it was very moral support for the students. And in case as we created certificate also on the Gnomio side, if students completed any course or completed any task, they will be awarded by the same certificate, and it will increase their interest to attend the Google Classrooms, or to create or use the Genomium Moodle site also. I think all these advanced technology are very beneficial, very fruitful for students, as we know that more and more students are using Android phones to play the game on mobile, but instead of playing games, if we facilitate them like these sites or the videos, they will utilize their more time to solve the assignments, to study properly on their Android phone also. Really, this week also very fruitful for us and for students also. In fourth week, we learned to create a e-content Mentimeter for quiz, feedback, and Kahoots also. In Mentimeter, see, you can see there are two sample slides as I submitted 4 tasks on this pedagogy or on this FDP. That these contents also very useful. Student can solve the quizzes, student can give the feedback by the using online tools also, and this will be very interesting for students. The benefits of this online FDP, first of all, I will say that teaching learning will be very effective, as we are using advanced tools or teaching aids in this with learning this FDP. The teaching learning will be very effective rather than as we are using traditional blackboard or whiteboard or chalk and boards. We are using PPTs, videos in this after completing this FDP. Students will enjoy the learning process, as we are going to give the animated videos, presentations, slides or various websites. Students will really enjoy the teaching learning process, and I think this is the very most and very important benefit of this FDP. Easy assignment and result systems, as we are going to conduct the traditional test. They are very lengthy. After getting the test, we have to assess the answer sheets and then give the marks, give the feedback, and student will get feedback or their marks very later. But as using of this website, using of Genome, using of Mentimeter, using of Google Docs, Google Forms, student will solve the assignments very easily. Students will solve the quizzes very easily, and they will get the result immediately, which answer are correct and which answer are wrong. If their answer is wrong, they will study more forcefully to correct those answers, and this is the very benefit of this FDP, that we will use these online tools or for the assignment and result or quiz also, and outcome will be really effective, as we all are using as a technical, we are in technical field, and it is very main thing in technical education that it will be outcome based education. I definitely assure you that after having this FDP, after completing this FDP, or as we learn in this FDP, if we use the all advanced teaching tools in teaching learning process, definitely the all education will be outcome based, and outcome will be very effective of the education system, as we are using all advanced tools in teaching learning process, and this is the very effective benefit of this FDP. Really, I would like to express my hearty gratitude to all the resource persons and coordinators of this online FDP program. Really, they guided us in very nice manner. Their all videos are very self-explanatory. We understood each and every topic very detailed, and I think that we really enjoyed this FDP program due to devotion, guidance and support of all these resource persons. So I am once again thanking or expressing my gratitude towards them.